Okay, good evening everyone. Tonight we'll be unboxing this new CA70 that we bought yesterday. It's her phone,
It's
not
my
mine.
new phone.
Yeah, because obviously this phone, which is S8 Plus, is not working properly. So it's time to say goodbye to that phone and
Buy a new one.
okay. Alright, so
Why did we buy Samsung on top of the other brands?
So I was telling her before we bought this one, I was telling her we are going to buy iPhone instead of Samsung. We've been with Samsung for the 10 years now. And we've been, I think the first iPhone that we use was iPhone 4 and that's it. Most of our phones are Samsung Galaxy or from Samsung.
Yes, Samsung.
So we're Samsung fan here.
So what happened? We went to Samsung shop and we spoke to the salesperson and we asked about the lifespan of the phones and what brand we were intending to buy. We were supposed to buy iPhone instead of Samsung, to change to iPhone, but she explained to us that the range of the battery life for phones is about
4 to 5 years.
5 years, and so we ended up having another look and we had to think and we came up with buying Samsung. Okay, now our budget to buying a phone is about 400 Australian dollars. And so we were looking around on what sort of phones we could buy with that price. And based on Jing's research, which are all written here on our computer, we will post these comparisons in our video at some point in this video, so you can see it later, but for now we'll just discuss it with you.
Okay. Compare iPhone 7 and Samsung A70 because both phones are on those mid-range price. So affordability, those are the two phones we're looking at. Okay, so an iPhone 7 will cost us $600 compared to $600, which is equivalent to 20,965 pesos. And this Samsung Galaxy A70 original price is $650, but or $650, which is equivalent to 22,715 pesos, but we got it on sale for $499, which is equivalent to 17,465. So we got a good deal for this one. They offer it only on yesterday for just one day. So
we were so lucky that we went to the shops, and they had the sale on that particular day, and it was only a one-day sale, so we saved $150 on this Samsung phone.
So iPhone 7, it was released September 2016, and this one was released April 2019, which was last year. So this is one of those phone that the Samsung have just released. Okay. Internal memory. iPhone 7, they have 128 gigabytes. So this one has the same 128 gigabytes. In speaking of expandable memory, obviously we know beforehand iPhone, they don't have expandable memory, but Samsung, you can always expand their memory. You can up to 512 gigabytes. Okay, so RAM on iPhone 7 is only 2 gigabytes. This one, huge difference, 6 gigabytes. And then the device screen, iPhone 7 is only 4.7. And then this one is huge, which is 6.7 inches. Okay, well, resolutions. Well, we're after the camera, okay? Resolutions or pixel for iPhone 7 is about 1334 by 750, but this phone is 2400 by 1080, so it's full HD. Okay, camera, this iPhone 7 has only one camera, which is 12 MP, the back camera, and their selfie camera is about 7 MP. Okay, this phone, the Galaxy A70, is a three camera, which is include the ultra wide. One is 32 MP. Yes, you heard it right, 32 MP compared to iPhone 7, which is only 7 MP. So huge difference, which is iPhone 7 is more expensive. But
So I hope I can take better photos.
well, obviously you'll have
I don't know
better
how to
photos with
take
this
good
one.
photos.
It's a triple camera, as I said. It's a triple camera with 32 MP plus 5 MP and then 8 MP. Okay, and okay, digital zoom. iPhone can only zoom 5 times. This phone can zoom 8 times. For regarding video, iPhone 7 rate per second is about 22,160, and this phone can record 4K already. So it's a new thing. It's on 4K at 30 frames per second. Okay, obviously those have Wi-Fi, and then iPhone 7 Bluetooth is only 4.2, but this one is upgraded already with 5.0. Okay, manufacturer's warranty for iPhone 7 is only 1 year, but with Samsung now, we have 2 years warranty. But the one
Downside.
the downside with this one, because of the good specs of this mobile phone, they omit the dust resistant and the water resistant. So be careful not to splash any water or not to dip it into the water, because I don't know, because it's not protected. So you have to be very careful with this one. With, I think, as I have read, all the A model of Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy, they have omitted the dust and water resistant protection, so they can offer us a better price, a lower price, and that's
Right.
it. Okay,
So you can tell based on the specs that Jing mentioned, it's better.
So this is
a
better
phone.
phone
Win,
than
win,
iPhone
win,
7.
win,
Okay,
win,
what
win.
is the equivalent of this phone
on Apple?
on Apple?
So if we buy an Apple phone with these specs, what iPhone would that be?
So iPhone 11, which was released September 2019. So a few months difference between this
After.
one and the iPhone 11.
So
I think I know you have heard about iPhone 11. Okay, let me talk about iPhone 11. Okay, I just want to know, I just want to compare, because this is a very good comparison, because most of the specs of this phone and the iPhone 11, they almost match. They might be different, but almost of the same spec. So iPhone 11, what's the price? It will cost us 1,279. So 60%
more
than A70. Okay? But what do you get from it? Okay? The I say internal memory, we talk about the memory. So iPhone 11, 128 gigabytes for $1,279, which is equivalent to 44,000 pesos. So both are the same, 128 gigabytes. And of course, expandable memory, iPhone don't have, okay? You know that. And in about RAM, as I said, Samsung A70 has 6 gigabyte. iPhone 11 have only 4. So still is a win-win for this one.
So still comes out
So
better.
in terms of resolution, as I said, this one is 2400 times 1080, which is a full HD. With iPhone 11, it's only 1792 times 828. So still this one tick the
Has
box.
better resolution.
Okay, and
so that's good for a better
next
price.
is the battery. Oh, I forgot to discuss the battery a while ago. iPhone 7, they only have 1060 mAh. Okay, this one has 4500 mAh, and iPhone 11, it has 3110 mAh. So the winner in regards with battery capacity is A70, 4500. Okay, camera for iPhone 11 is 12 MP, but they only have dual camera, and this one has triple camera and 32 MP. So it's a win-win again for this one. Okay, and what else? So digital zoom for the camera, digital zoom 5, this is 8 times zoom. Yeah, you can zoom it 8 times, but iPhone 11 you can only zoom it for 5 times. Okay, and for the video recording, they are iPhone and this one have the same, so they're recording in 4K. And manufacturer's warranty same. iPhone 11 has 1 year and this one has 2 years. So there you go. Big difference with the price. iPhone 11 has 1200, and this is the spec is much better compared to it. So sorry iPhone, we have to stick with
Samsung. So the price is half, or 60% cheaper. Is that right?
Yeah, it's about 60%.
But that's on sale price. If it's not on sale, then it's half.
Then half
price.
price the
Yeah,
difference.
so
If
not
it's still
bad.
in sale, half price, then
Double
very-
the price. So
Yeah,
double the
that's it.
price you would want. Okay, let's open my.
Okay, is this yours?
Thank you.
You can open it.
Ooh. So this must be.
Now this
Ooh.
was just the manual as usual.
So this is the new phone. Oh, it's the other way around, like.
Oh, it comes with a free
Wow, that's nice.
case. Good.
I thought I asked for black.
No, there's no. Sorry, there's no black.
Surprise! Oh, it
That's-
comes with a free case, and look, the case is a bit flexible. Cool.
Just a silicone case.
Oh,
So
okay.
talking about this has 3 camera at the back.
And it's got the charger and super fast charging. Super fast charging, and it's got the cable, of course. And on this side is the earphones, as they usually come with.
Okay, I forgot to mention about the display of the new A70. This one is 6.7 inches, as I said, but it has infinity display.
Infinity, which means goes up to the corners. I think that's the same with my other phone. So,
Okay.
oh my god.
That's
Oh my-
it. Okay, now
Okay.
You have the is it
Good. Yes.
can turn it on?
Turn it on, turn it on.
Come on, switch it on.
Where?
Oh, first timer.
There you go, and we're in business.
I'd like to try the selfie of this phone. Why? Because it's better. I think the spec of this phone is better than this Samsung S10 Plus.
Oh, I'm so glad that I've got a
Okay.
new phone. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. Okay, that's it.
That's it. Okay, we have
Thank you,
unboxed it.
folks.
Don't
Thank
forget
you,
to subscribe
folks.
and like our video.
I hope this video helped, especially people who weren't sure what to buy. Why buy a more expensive phone when you can get a good phone at a cheaper price? That's the
Yeah,
main thing.
That's the main thing.
Okay,
This
do
is
your
all
research,
about it. Okay?
and hope we helped you in making that decision. So long, so long, so long, so long, so long.